In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a share funnel link in ClickFunnels. Sharing funnels can be incredibly useful, whether you're collaborating with team members or sending a completed design to a client. So, let's dive right in and go through the process step by step. First, ensure you're logged into your ClickFunnels account. This is your starting point, so if you haven't already signed in, take a moment to do so. Once you're logged in, you'll notice the dashboard laid out before you. It's a hub of all your active projects and resources within ClickFunnels, making it simple to navigate to whatever tool you need. From here, look for the main menu where you'll find the Sites option. Hover over or click on Sites, and you'll see a drop-down menu. Select Funnels from this list. Now that you're on the Funnels page, take a moment to find the specific funnel you wish to share. You might have several funnels, especially if you've been working on multiple projects, so make sure to scroll through and identify the correct one. Once you've located the funnel you're looking for, you'll want to access its settings. Look for the Settings or Funnel Options menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon or 3 dots, depending on the version of ClickFunnels you're using. Clicking here will give you access to a variety of options related to your funnel. Within these options, you'll need to pinpoint the one that says Share Funnel. This feature is what allows you to create a shareable link of your current funnel setup. When you click on Share Funnel, a new option will appear specifically titled Create Share Funnel Link. Click this button, and in a moment, ClickFunnels will generate a unique link for your funnel. Now that the link is generated, you'll want to copy it. There should be a straightforward copy button next to the link for convenience. Make sure the link is copied accurately to your clipboard. This link is essentially a direct access pass to the funnel, allowing others to view and use it within their own ClickFunnels accounts. The final step in this process is to share your link. Depending on your needs, you can send it directly to a client, a team member, or another ClickFunnels user. You can include it in an email, send it via a messaging app, or however else you prefer to communicate. Just ensure that the recipient knows what to do with it. They will need to have a ClickFunnels account to access and use the funnel. And there you have it. Creating and sharing a funnel link in ClickFunnels is an efficient way to collaborate and distribute your work. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more practical ClickFunnels tips and tutorials.